Most men don't fall in a fight. They fall in love. An enemy in front of you, you're ready. Your guard's up, eyes sharp, instincts awake. But the one beside you, you open your heart, you lower your shield, you trust. And that's where the deepest wounds come from. Not punches, not knives, betrayal. Listen carefully. If someone lies to you, cheats on you, or makes you feel small, you're not a fool. You're human. Only strong people love deeply. But here's a lesson warriors learn. Don't harden your heart. Harden your standards. Not everyone deserves to stand beside you. Protect your energy, protect your peace, protect your life. Because sometimes the one beside you is more dangerous than the enemy in front of you. Walk in peace, but stay aware.